What is the significance of the Kinsale Cloak? Well, the Kinsale Cloak, I don't know if you noticed, in the tourist office where we started our tour, there is a Kinsale Cloak hanging.
It was also on the
And there's a mural of it on the side there. These were like Gothic looking, velvet lined black cloaks, right down to your toes, that our ancestors wore. Women wore them going to church up to 60 years ago here. And if you want to see one, or even wear one for a photo shot in the tourist office, they let you try it on if you want to see how it feels. Keep you nice and cozy down to your toes. And they're ideal for nipping out to the shop, because you wouldn't have to worry too much about how your clothes looked. You just nip this over you. And if you didn't want to be bothered, just close the hood tightly over. Nobody'd know where you're going, you know. The gossips couldn't spot you, you know. And gossip travels like wildfire here. It's crazy in Kinsale, you know. Your son will tell you all about it, you know. Already they're gossiping about him. Where's he from? And all this. And see, I'll give you an example. Every Wednesday morning we have a farmer's market. And one summer I was walking through it and I saw two ladies. I knew by their body language they were gossiping. So I listened in. I was eavesdropping. And true, a local scandal was breaking. And this is what I heard. One lady told me everything I needed to know about Irish gossip. One lady said to the other, "That's fascinating, tell me more." Then I learned right in. And the second lady really disappointed me when she said, "I can't." She said, "I can't tell you any more about that story. I've already told you more than I heard myself."